Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'll be doing these moisturized mini twists on trimmed, washed and stretched hair. Yes, I trimmed my ends. It feels so good. I'll be using the Aussie Miracle Curls frizz taming cream to do these mini twists. I love this frizz taming cream because it makes my hair stays moisturized. So as you can see, I started on the back before I came on camera just to make sure it was going well, the products was working well. So I'll be showing you guys how I do the front half of my hair. Okay, so the technique that I use to stretch my hair with no heat is I wash my hair the day before, and while my hair is a little damp, I do like 6-7 plaits in my hair, and I use the frizz taming cream to moisturize my hair. So I leave those plaits in overnight, let them sit, let my hair dry. When I wake up the next day and unravel those plaits, my hair is a little stretch. It's not as stretch as the blow dryer, but it does give a little stretch with no heat. So here I'm starting on my mini twist. As you can see, in Jamaica we call this rope twist, where you spin the hair before you twist. I think it's easier to watch and see what I do instead of me explaining, because it doesn't make sense when I explain it. Just watch and see. By the way, I have tons of videos showing how I stretch my hair without heat. If you check out my other videos, you'll see how I stretch my hair with the plaits. Also, I'll be having more up close clips coming up showing you how I do these twists, so just stay tuned and watch. So as you can see, I'm all done with the twist. Honestly, this hairstyle took me about 5 hours, but I was doing stuff in between, like watching a movie. I stopped, I made something to eat, and stuff like that. It was nighttime, so I think I got done like 4 a.m. in the morning, to be honest. Yes, I don't remember what time I started exactly, but I know it was pretty late. But here, as you can see, I'm feeling my hair. I'm loving it. I'm loving the growth. For my OGs that have been here for a while from the start, y'all know from my big chop to now, it's a huge difference. So yes, if you see me feeling myself too much in this video, don't come for me. Just be happy for me, because this growth is, listen, I love it. I'm feeling it right now. But This is how I sleep with my hair. I put these plaits in my hair. These are the same plaits that I use to stretch my hair. Also, it gives me that curly, wavy look. So that's working for me, you know. So yeah, if you want to try that for your hair as well, do it. It keeps my twist stretched because you know twist shrinks easily. So this is a good technique. So this is the final look for these mini twists. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.